Before using Gohighlevel, most chiropractic clinics run their day with a lot of manual work that quietly eat up their time and energy. New patient inquiries come through Facebook or Google, but instead of going into one organized system, they end up scattered. Some in email, some in WhatsApp, and some written down on the sticky note at the front desk. It feels like you are always catching up, but never fully in control. Once a lead shows interest, your receptionist manually sends appointment option and then hopes the person actually shows up. But if the clinic gets busy, those follow-up often don't happen. Many leads just vanish because no one had time to call them twice. That is your first big leak. Missed opportunity that could have become loyal patients. Then there is a constant problem of no-show. You book people in but they forget their appointments. You send reminder manually or sometimes not at all. And their empty slot means lost revenue. You try to fill it last minute, but the day already feels scrambled. After each appointment, you or your staff want to send a thank you text or ask for a Google review, but that days go by and the patient never leaves a review. And when you finally remember, it feels awkward to ask. This is why many great clinics only have a few reviews, even though their service is amazing. And let's not forget your marketing. You are probably running Facebook or Google ads, but do you actually know which campaign brings in the best client? Without a clear system, your data is incomplete. You might be spending more on ads that don't convert, while missing out on the campaign that actually work. This is what the workflow looked like before Gohighlevel. A mix of effort, guesswork, and a human follow-up that depends entirely on how busy the team is that day. It is not a lack of skill, it is a lack of automation. Now let's look at what happens after moving your clinic to Gohighlevel. When someone fills out the form from your website or app, Gohighlevel instantly captures the lead inside the CRM. Within seconds, an automated text or email go out, warm, friendly, and professional, confirming their inquiry and offering them a simple link to book an appointment. If they don't respond right away, the system follows up automatically over the next few days with gentle reminders. No more chasing leads. Once they book, Gohighlevel sends them a calendar confirmation along with a SMS reminder 24 hours before and another one a few hours before the visit. That alone can reduce your no-show rate by 60%. It's like having a personal assistant for every patient, but one that never forgets. After their appointments, Gohighlevel automatically sends a thank you message and a review request that link directly to your Google business profile. Patients find it easy to leave a review because the link is right there. That is how clinics go from 10 reviews to 100 without asking manually. Everything from the first click on your ad to the last review happen inside one clean dashboard. You can see who booked, who showed up, who did not, and which marketing campaign brought them in. It is complete visibility of your business in real time. And the best part is save your staff hours every single week. Instead of constantly calling, texting, and writing follow-up, they can now focus on delivering great patient experience while Gohighlevel handle the admin behind the scenes. Now if you are listening to this and thinking, this sounds amazing but I don't have time to set all this up myself, that is where I come in. I am Mohammed Numan, a certified Gohighlevel expert. I help chiropractic clinics build their entire patient management system inside Gohighlevel. From new patient intake form to automation, follow-ups, email marketing, and review generation. We customize everything for your clinic so it looks, feel, and run exactly how you want. You can start your free Gohighlevel trial using the affiliate link mentioned in the video description below. Once you sign up, you can book a strategy call with me. The link to my calendar is also mentioned in the video description. On the strategy call, I will walk you through how you can set up your A to Z patient journey from the moment a lead clicks your ad to the moment they leave a 5-star Google review. This is how modern chiropractic clinic grow, not with more effort but with smarter system. Because the best care does not start on the treatment table, it starts on how you manage your patient from day one. So click the link below, start your free trial, and let's build your automation system together.